Healing recipe for coughs and laryngitis. 1 onion or shallot. Chopped onion. 2 tablespoons of honey. Add the honey. And then you mix all the ingredients. And then the syrup will be ready in 2 hours. And while you wait, make your favorite tea. Mine is Psychic Teas, the detox chakras. And I can't wait to get my voice back, everybody. But this is how I make my tea. And these amazing tea infusers that you can get at psychicteas.com. And if you want 20% off, just put CALI20, CALI 20. And it's free shipping. Ooh, the tea is almost ready. Take off the strainer and then look inside. Beautiful colors. And then 2 hours later, the syrup is ready. And then you take about 1 teaspoon every hour. Then be sure to cover it back over to your continued health. Cheers. Warms you from the inside out.
Is this Psychic Teas?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Tastes good.